A child's room is more than a place to sleep. It's where imagination grows. In 2026, kids' rooms are becoming creative spaces that combine fun, comfort, learning, and personality, all in one design.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is personalization so important in kids' rooms? Children feel more connected to spaces that reflect their interests and personalities. A room that feels uniquely theirs encourages confidence, creativity, and comfort. Personal touches help transform a bedroom from a simple space into a meaningful environment. Love personalized decor? Like this, if every child deserves a special space. Why are themed rooms still popular? Themes help create excitement and make rooms feel magical, whether subtle or dramatic. Themes allow children to immerse themselves in spaces that reflect their interests. This sense of adventure continues to make themed rooms highly popular. Love themed bedrooms? Like this, if fun room designs never go out of style. Why is comfort becoming a bigger focus? Children spend a significant amount of time in their rooms. Comfortable spaces help them relax, focus, and feel secure. In 2026, room design trends are increasingly emphasizing emotional well-being. Alongside aesthetics, love cozy spaces? Like this, if comfort should come first. Why are playrooms becoming more purposeful? Playrooms are no longer viewed as spaces solely for toys. Parents are designing them to encourage creativity, exploration, and learning. This shift reflects a growing focus on creating environments that support healthy development while still being fun. Love purposeful play spaces? Like this, if play and learning belong together. Why are play areas becoming more creative? Children thrive when they have spaces dedicated to imagination and exploration. Creative play areas encourage independent thinking and help kids develop important skills while having fun. This trend continues growing because parents value experiences that support development. Love imaginative play, like this, if creativity should have its own space. Why are kids' room ideas so popular on Pinterest? Parents are constantly looking for inspiration that helps them create meaningful spaces for their children. Kids' room designs combine creativity, functionality, and emotion, making them some of the most popular home decor topics online. Love finding decorating inspiration? Like this, if Pinterest ideas spark creativity. Why are kids' room designs changing in 2026? Parents are moving beyond traditional decorating and creating spaces that evolve with their children. Instead of focusing only on appearance, rooms are being designed to support creativity, learning, play, and relaxation. The goal is creating an environment that feels inspiring while remaining practical for everyday life. Love creative kids' spaces like this, if room design should inspire imagination. What makes a kid's room truly special? The most special rooms aren't necessarily the most expensive or elaborate. They're the ones that make children feel happy, comfortable, and inspired every day. When a room reflects who they are and encourages them to dream big, it becomes much more than just a bedroom. Ready to create an amazing kids' space like this? If every child deserves a room they love. What decorating mistakes should parents avoid? One common mistake is designing entirely around current trends without considering the child's personality. The most successful rooms feel authentic to the child while remaining flexible enough to grow and change over time. Love thoughtful design like this, if personality matters more than trends. What defines a modern kids' room in 2026? Modern kids' rooms focus on flexibility and personality, rather than relying on short-term trends. Many parents are creating spaces that can adapt as children grow. This approach helps rooms stay functional, while still feeling playful and exciting. Love modern room designs like this, if practical and fun should go together. How do well-designed rooms impact children? A thoughtfully designed room can influence confidence, creativity, and emotional comfort. Children often develop strong connections to spaces that make them feel safe, inspired, and understood. These environments can create positive memories that last for years. Love meaningful spaces like this if room design affects more than decor. How can decor support learning? The environment influences how children engage with the world around them. Thoughtfully designed spaces can encourage curiosity, creativity, and exploration. Many parents are incorporating educational elements naturally into room design without making the space feel like a classroom. Love learning-friendly spaces like this, if design can inspire growth. How can room design encourage creativity? Creative environments inspire children to imagine, explore, and express themselves. Colors, themes, and decorative details all contribute to a room's atmosphere. When children feel inspired by their surroundings, they often become more engaged and imaginative. Love inspiring creativity? Like this, if imagination matters. How can wall decor transform a room? Walls play a major role in setting the atmosphere. They help establish the room's theme and influence how the entire space feels. In 2026, wall decor is becoming one of the most important design elements because it instantly captures attention and creates visual excitement. Love creative wall decor? Like this, if walls should inspire imagination. How can small kids' rooms still feel exciting? Room size doesn't determine how special a space feels. Thoughtful design can make even compact rooms feel welcoming, fun, and full of personality. Atmosphere matters far more than square footage. Working with a small room? Like this, if creativity beats size every time. How can a kid's room feel organized without feeling boring? Organization is important, but children still want rooms that feel playful and inviting. Successful designs balance functionality with creativity, ensuring that the room remains practical while maintaining a sense of fun and personality. Love organized spaces? Like this, if tidy can still be fun. Kids' room decoration ideas in 2026 are all about creativity, comfort, and personal expression. By designing spaces that inspire imagination while supporting everyday life, parents can create rooms that children will love growing up in. If you're planning a kids' room makeover, focus on creating a space that inspires, comforts, and grows with them. And come back for more 2026. Decorating inspiration.